Looking for the best Mattocks? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Mattocks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. FITOOL's Forged Adze Pick Weeding Matako. One-handed tool weighs just 1.4 pounds. Drop forged head also combines pick, adze, and hoe functions. Cutting edge of 1.5 inches for breaking up compacted soil. Rubberized fiberglass handle. Head attaches and detaches with simple eye pattern design. For gardening and rock collecting, this small model is a handy companion. Small and light tool isn't great for heavy-duty tasks. At number 2. TABOR Tools, Pigmatic with fiberglass handle. Large 35-inch tool provides ample leverage for breaking up soil or rocks. Edge can cut through small roots. Rubberized fiberglass handle is both lightweight and strong. Brightly colored for visibility. Head easily attaches for assembly. A brightly colored, long, and sturdy option for breaking up tough soils. The head can come off during vigorous work. At number 1. Hooyman Pickmatic. Long 35-inch, 5-pound tool can be wielded two-handed for maximum leverage against hard soils and rocks. Head made of forged steel for durability. Comes with head pre-attached and epoxied to handle. Handle grip turns tacky when wet for extra hold. The head of this two-handed tool comes pre-attached for an extra secure hold. Cutting edge may be narrower than desired for its size. Can be heavy for some. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.